What's going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're doing a real quick 10-second video. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in our 2021 TRD. This guide should be good for a 2018 to 2022. As of right now, if the 23 model year is the same, it will be good for that as well. So they made this super easy. I just want to show you what we're going to be using. We're using a Wix WP10322. This is a charcoal filter, and it has microban, which is basically for bacteria, things like that. But if you look at the filter, it is charcoal activated, so this should help greatly remove any, odors or anything from the outside coming into the car. Now, like I said, Toyota made this super simple. I already went ahead and emptied my glove box. But you're going to go ahead, open your glove box, and the door is right there. You'll see it's like an L. So all you have to do is open this here, and you slide this out. Just pay attention to these two little tabs, because when you put them back in, they have to go in first. And then right here is our filter door. So you just kind of pinch both tabs and pull out. And this whole thing should come right out. Get it out off camera real quick, I'll show you. So you'll see on this side there's two little tabs here. Same thing on this side. So what you have to do is get this side on your right out, and then you walk the door out. So I'll put it back in, I'll show you just for conversation's sake. So now it's back in. So what you do is you come here, you pinch this, and then you pull this out this way, and now it's out, and now we can go ahead and take our filter out. Now it looks like the factory filter is actually a charcoal filter as well, so I'm actually glad that we are replacing this with a charcoal filter, because we're replacing it with the correct type. So let's go ahead, get this old filter that actually is not dirty at all. This car is a little over a year old, but as you see, it's garage kept, and we've only gone about 10,000 miles on it. But we're going to replace it. We have one. So let's take this old filter out. It should just come right out like this. And then we are going to slide the new one in, being sure we pay attention to which direction they want the airflow to go, which should be this way. The arrow usually means airflow, and the air gets sucked down, so that's the way you're going to want to put it back in. Alright guys, so we got our new filter here installed in the tray. We're going to go ahead and install it with the arrow pointing up as it shows. Alright. Make sure we get it lined up correctly. And then we are going to go ahead and put our door back in place. Alright, so we went ahead and reinstalled our filter door. Now we just have to put this trim piece back in. Now I'm going to go ahead and link in the description below the filter that we used from Wix to my Amazon affiliates page. If you guys would like to purchase, please purchase from there. The channel gets a small cut. It's a huge help. So with that said, you just change your cabin filter in your 8th generation 2018 to 2022 Toyota Camry. I hope this helps. The Wix filters are a little weird. The arrow does not point up. It points in the direction of the airflow, and in this case the air is drawn down. So always make sure if you're installing a Wix, you install it with the arrow facing the airflow. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.